Are we live? This is Mike Scott. We're out in the cold. It's the blizzard of 15. As you can tell, there's snow everywhere. The bread and milk run is in effect. I hope you've gotten yours. If not, you're going to probably end up with hamburger buns and end pieces. Good luck. You'll have to get powdered milk if you don't get your regular milk. If you're out, be careful. The snow is atrocious. You can tell it's just horrible. The world's just come to an end. This is Mike reporting from the cold for the blizzard of 15. Be safe.